Welcome back to Drive X. Imagine a car so small, so charming, and so full of personality that it instantly makes people smile wherever it goes. And now imagine that same legendary icon returning in 2026 with modern technology, smarter performance, and a design that perfectly blends nostalgia with the future. Yes, the Subaru 360 is back, and it's not just a tribute to the past. It feels like Subaru has reimagined this tiny legend for a completely new generation of drivers. If you love cars that stand out, cars that tell a story, and cars that make driving fun again, then this little machine might just steal your heart. The moment you see the 2026 Subaru 360, it feels like stepping into a time machine, but one that has been upgraded with modern style. The rounded body shape stays true to the original classic that made Subaru famous decades ago, but now everything looks sharper, cleaner, and much more premium. The smooth curves flow beautifully from the front to the back, giving it that friendly and playful personality that made the original so iconic. The headlights now feature sleek LED rings that glow with a futuristic touch while still maintaining that vintage-inspired circular look. It's almost like the car is smiling back at you. From the side, the compact size makes it perfect for tight city streets, but Subaru has added modern alloy wheels and subtle character lines that give the car a surprisingly sporty vibe. The paint options are expected to be vibrant and youthful, with colors that highlight the fun nature of the car rather than trying to make it look aggressive or overly serious. The rear design continues that charming retro feel, with rounded tail lights and a smooth hatch design that makes the car look friendly and approachable from every angle. It's the kind of car that makes people stop, look, and maybe even take pictures because it feels unique in a world filled with oversized SUVs. Step inside, and you quickly realize that Subaru didn't just revive the Subaru 360, they completely modernized it. The interior feels minimal, bright, and cleverly designed to make the most out of the small cabin space. The seats are expected to use lightweight yet comfortable materials, giving passengers a cozy and supportive feel even during longer city drives. The dashboard looks simple at first glance, but once you notice the digital displays and smart layout, it feels surprisingly advanced. Right in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the important driving information in a clean and easy-to-read style. In the center, a floating touchscreen infotainment system takes care of navigation, entertainment, and smartphone connectivity. The system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected without dealing with cables. Subaru has also focused on creating a light and airy cabin with large windows that give excellent visibility and make the interior feel bigger than you would expect from such a tiny car. Storage areas are cleverly placed throughout the cabin, giving drivers practical spaces for daily essentials like phones, wallets, and drinks. Even though it's a microcar, Subaru seems to have focused heavily on making it practical for everyday urban life. The rear seats are likely designed more for short trips or extra storage, but they still offer enough space to keep the car versatile. Now let's talk about what really brings this little legend to life: performance. The 2026 Subaru 360 is expected to move toward modern eco-friendly technology, possibly offering a hybrid or fully electric setup designed specifically for city driving. Instead of chasing high horsepower numbers, this car focuses on smooth, efficient, and enjoyable performance. The electric or hybrid powertrain would likely deliver instant torque, meaning the car feels quick and responsive when accelerating from traffic lights or navigating busy streets. Because of its lightweight body, even a modest power output can feel surprisingly lively. The small size also makes the car extremely easy to maneuver, park, and drive through crowded urban areas. The steering is expected to feel light and precise, making it perfect for new drivers or anyone who wants a stress-free driving experience. The suspension will likely focus on comfort, absorbing bumps and rough city roads while keeping the ride smooth and relaxed. Safety is another area where Subaru is expected to bring serious upgrades. Even though the original Subaru 360 was built in a completely different era, the 2026 version is expected to include modern driver assistance systems. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring could all be part of the package. Subaru has always been known for focusing on safety, so it makes sense that even their smallest car would come packed with smart protection technology. The car may also include parking sensors and a rear-view camera, making it incredibly easy to handle in tight parking spots. Some versions could even include semi-autonomous driving support for relaxed commuting in traffic-heavy cities. These additions help transform the Subaru 360 from just a nostalgic comeback into a truly modern urban mobility solution. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Subaru 360 is expected to target buyers looking for an affordable, stylish, and efficient city car. While official numbers may vary depending on the market and features, it will likely sit in a budget-friendly range compared to larger electric or hybrid vehicles. This makes it attractive for young drivers, urban commuters, and even collectors who love unique retro-inspired vehicles with modern reliability. Compared to the original Subaru 360 from the late 1950s and 60s, this new version feels like a completely different machine while still respecting its roots. The original was simple, lightweight, and focused purely on affordable transportation. The 2026 version keeps that spirit alive but adds comfort, technology, safety, and eco-friendly performance that matches today's expectations. When you compare it to rivals in the microcar or compact EV segment, the Subaru 360 stands out because of its emotional design and heritage. Many small electric cars focus only on practicality, but this one brings personality and nostalgia into the mix. It's not just a transportation tool, it feels like a lifestyle statement. It's for drivers who want something different, something fun, and something that makes every trip feel special. And honestly, that's what makes the return of the Subaru 360 so exciting. It reminds us that cars don't always have to be massive, overly complex, or intimidating to be enjoyable. Sometimes, the smallest cars can deliver the biggest smiles. Imagine driving through busy city streets, effortlessly parking in places other cars can't, and turning heads everywhere you go because your car carries both history and futuristic innovation. The 2026 Subaru 360 feels like Subaru is telling the world that fun, charm, and simplicity still have a place in modern driving. It's a car that celebrates individuality and reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. And if this tiny legend truly makes its comeback the way it's expected to, it could easily become one of the most lovable and talked about city cars of the decade. Just picture yourself behind the wheel, cruising through the city, surrounded by curious looks and smiles from people who can't help but admire this little masterpiece. That's the magic of the Subaru 360, small in size, but huge in personality.